Hello everyone, my name is Matthew Barry and I'm part of a team of 5 along with Errol Basusta, Maria Majid, Xin Zhang, and Xinyu Shang. As part of the University of Michigan School of Information graduate course, SI 622, Usability Evaluation and Needs Assessment, we conducted a usability study for the University of Michigan Biological Station Research Gateway, which I'll refer to as UMBS for short. Our goal is to provide valuable feedback in order to improve UMBS site use and overall user experience. The site serves as the repository for datasets gathered at U of M biological sites, as well as providing a complete bibliography of research based on those datasets. UMBS also provides property maps, a list of site information, information about current and ongoing research projects, and a plethora of other resources. We begin with interviewing our client, who is the primary stakeholder requesting this study. Our goal is to understand project needs and any specific concerns our client might have. We then conducted 5 user interviews with established UMBS users that our client recommended to us. Through these interviews, we aim to understand more about the population of UMBS users and what they use the site for, as well as how they used it. We used our findings from these interviews to create 3 user personas and scenarios to gain better insights into the UMBS user community. Our next step involved conducting an online survey using Qualitrix. We distributed the survey using an email listserv of about 800 UMBS users provided by our client. Within 3 days, we successfully collected a total of 60 complete responses. Studying the results of this survey was a valuable step in learning more about our user population. We uncovered several interesting findings about UMBS users, such as user demographics, user site behavior, frequency, feature preferences, use of other competitive sites, and others. The survey results also provided quantitative evidence regarding user goals and behavior, and provided directions for further research questions and avenues of assessment. After completing the survey, we conducted a comparative analysis using a list of 6 potential competitive websites that serve similar needs and which were reported in our survey study by UMBS users. In the comparative analysis, we compared these sites based on 5 broad categories: functionality, aesthetics, usability, intended users, and intended functions. Results revealed the strengths and weaknesses of UMBS and gave us suggestions as to what features could be added. Next, we conducted a heuristic evaluation, with each member carefully evaluating the whole website based on Nielsen's 10 usability heuristics. Afterwards, we consolidated our individual findings and prioritized them based on severity from 0 to 4. Finally, we recruited 7 users to participate in usability tests of UMBS. Each test lasted for 20 to 50 minutes and included a pre-test questionnaire, 5 tasks to perform on the site, and a debriefing interview. With this, we concluded our usability evaluation and needs assessment. Now I'll share our most significant findings and recommendations. Our most significant finding was that user behaviors and expectations do not always match the way the site is designed. For instance, we found that, first of all, most users prefer sites with better metadata, relational